Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Marzocco Linea Classic from 2010. And let's go ahead and pull some shots. Get a nice shot on the right. Nice shot on the left. Let's go ahead and steam some milk. There you go. Nice shot of espresso. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. Hit the bell, and thank you for watching.